So good to see all of your beautiful faces. Today is Friday. I am doing the usual, just work orders. Not sure what I'm getting tasked with today, but hopefully it's interesting enough to make a good vlog. Let's jump right in. It's gonna pour out if I... When you hold that bucket right up to that, it's gonna come out pretty forcefully. And then let's go down with it, nice and even. All right, and then set it down all the way. Perfect. I've got a heater common area making a lot of noise when it's on. It's off now. Let's see if I can get to this fan. I've got this pulled out. Wonder if that is just loose. Not really. It's pretty tight. Maybe clean up these blades a little bit. Oh, that's not good. WD-40 in there. Well, let's shut that up. Give this fan a good wipe down. Get all this dirt off of it. Blades are all nice and shiny now. Put it back together and see if it does the same thing or not. Much quieter. You wait till I put everything back together. It's been like, got down to -6 the other day. This morning it was 6 degrees. Feels good. Working on a working heater sitting right here. I don't really want to move. boy. Line from the solenoid to the freezer is clear. Solenoid ohms out correctly on both sides. I got like 170 ohms on the Icemaker line. I put everything back together. I left that piece of electrical tape on there, and as I was wrapping up, I pushed the fridge back and I heard it dump water into the Icemaker. So that's a good sign. I replaced that infrared eye about 2 months ago, and then she said it had stopped making ice. So hopefully this fixes the problem. Just with that electrical tape, we'll see. I'll follow up next week. This heater fan still rattling a little bit. I personally think it's fine, but they can order a new motor and blade if they want it fixed for good. I'll give them that option. I'm done with this though. Going on. $107. Got my temp probe hooked up to the outlet of the mixing valve. I don't know if these can be adjusted or not. Not really. I don't know. Stupid if they can't. But this isn't getting above 108. It's not hot enough for dishwasher sanitation. I'm going to isolate this mixing valve. Water's still on. Of course, this is right under a plug. You don't want that getting wet. Trust the ice bucket to the rescue once again. Uh-oh. I may have gotten the meter wet. There we go, 114. A little bit hotter. This you can actually adjust. I've got 115, 114 coming out of the mixing valve now. It's still a little low, and this thing is all the way open. If I shut down on it, temperature drops. If you take this knob off, there's a guard right here. I'm just gonna adjust that a little bit. Because I don't want the water too hot. I want it more than 115. Open that a little more. I want to get at least 120. How much more room do we have? We got a little more room on this bad boy. You know what? I'll just mark it when I get to the temperature I want. How about that? $119. That should be plenty. Now I'm going to put that stopper on there. I don't want these tenants adjusting this themselves. There. Maybe turn it down a little bit. They're gonna love this though. I've had people complain to the office and just constantly complain that the water's not hot enough. For those types of people, I never go above 120. They're gonna get the minimum. And that's a safety issue. I've had people threaten and even try and sue before if the water, 130 degrees, 140 degrees, you can burn yourself, 3rd-degree burn in a matter of seconds. So just keep that in mind. If it's your own home, you're watching this channel, that's how you adjust the valves to get the water scalding hot. It's gonna make your energy bill go up and you can get burned. So do it at your own risk. You know how to do it now. This needs a 90. That just needs a 90. And then I'll tape it up and it should be good to go. We got 2 different 90s here. Which one would you use? I kind of want to use this longer one, but I don't know if there's going to be room. We'll see. I'm going to try to use this longer one. There we go. I'll probably tape this. all the way around. I was thinking about coming out of the side, but there's enough room that I don't need to do that. Less fittings. That's going to conclude the work orders for today's vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It's always more enjoyable when I've got all of you guys and girls. Thank you all for the support. Until the next vlog, I am Dave, the Apartment Maintenance Pro. Hope to see you there.